Hello everybody, welcome to ixam's LegalBee. This is Amrita, your law faculty at ixam. Welcome to the free mock test series that we have started at LegalBee exclusively at 11 a.m. every day. This is a very beneficial series for you as we discuss topic-wise questions from all the important subjects, and that is a very good practice for you if you are preparing for any competitive examinations after law, and also it will help you clear your doubts ऑन द इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स थ्रू क्वेश्चंस. अगर आपके कोई भी क्वेरीज हैं आप इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं. एंड अगर आपको किसी भी टॉपिक पर क्वेश्चंस की ज़रूरत है दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन मेंशन योर रिक्वेस्ट्स. वी विल ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन इट. यू कैन ऑल्सो रीच आउट टू अस ऑन hello@ixamb.com. कॉल ऑन दिस नंबर. डू विजिट द वेबसाइट एज वेल एंड चेक आउट ऑल द डिटेल्स. बट उसके लिए पहले आपको सब्सक्राइब करना होगा LegalBee को जल्दी से, अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो. The topic that I am going to take up today is Constitution of India, Miscellaneous Important Topics. I have started this series for Constitution long time ago. अगर आपने बाकी के सारे वीडियोस मिस कर दिए हैं ज़रूर प्लेलिस्ट में जाके चेक कर दीजिएगा. बाकी भी सब्जेक्ट्स के सीरीज चल रहे हैं बिकॉज दिस इज अ सीरीज गोइंग ऑन एवरी डे, राइट. सो बाकी सारे आप वीडियोस भी चेक कर लीजिए. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में से मिसलिनियसली जो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स बच गए हैं दैट आई हैव ट्राइड टू कवर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो टुडे. Let me give you some important announcements. This is the month-end offer that is going on. There is a flat 43% off on all the online courses available at ixam on each and every course. So you can check it out and avail the offer as soon as possible. Law Clerk Interview Guidance course is available at ixam. This is for the vacancies at Office of the Establishment of High Court of Judicature at Bombay, benches at Aurangabad, Nagpur and principal seat at Bombay. And for this, those who are preparing for the interview, उनके लिए mock interview guidance course available है. ये भी आप जल्दी से चेक कर सकते हैं. And UGC Net Law Examination के लिए भी free mock tests available है. You can immediately go to the website and check it out and do attempt it. And let us know if you need something, some guidance or anything directly in the comment section of this video. But उसके लिए आपको सब्सक्राइब करना होगा LegalBee को ताकि आप सारे वीडियोस के कमेंट्स ताकि आप सारे वीडियोस का बेनिफिट ले सकें. एंड ixamb को ज़रूर विजिट करिएगा. अगर आप कोई भी एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं वी डू हेल्प यू प्रिपेयर. इफ़ सपोज वी हैव अ कोर्स फॉर इट वी विल हेल्प यू प्रिपेयर 50% faster. Starting with the first question. Which amendment to the Indian Constitution introduced the goods and service tax, that is GST in India? Very important topic and ऐसे important landmark topics के लिए number of amendment भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. Constitution अगर आप prepare कर रहे हैं या कोई examination के लिए आप Constitution पढ़ रहे हैं तो आपको important landmark amendments तो पता होनी ही चाहिए. GST is very important one. 101st amendment covers the amendment relating to goods and service tax. We have a unified system for tax now after this particular amendment in the Constitution. This amendment has actually led to indirect tax regime. उसको replace करके एक unified tax structure बना दिया गया है. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with power of Parliament to amend the Constitution? Very important topic this is, which is amendment. Amendment आपको thoroughly prepare करना होगा. And actually amendment is just a single article topic of the Constitution. So उतना तो हमें भी याद होना ही चाहिए. So which article of Indian Constitution deals with the power of Parliament to amend the Constitution? Article 368 of the Indian Constitution deals with it. All the amendments, different types and the majority that is required. Now the next follow-up question to this I would say is, how many types of amendment majority are mentioned under Article 368 of the Constitution? यानी कि Article 368 में कितने प्रकार के majorities mention है. Amendment तो mention है but amendment को करने के लिए कितने types के majority mentioned है that has been asked actually, whether it is 3 types, 4 types, 2 types, 1 or 5. How many types of amendment majorities are mentioned under Article 368 of the Constitution? Answer is A. 3 types are mentioned. Simple majority is there, which is the first type and which is just going to have simple majority जो एक ordinary law के लिए होता है. Then other than that, if there is some case that is requiring a special majority, then in that case full membership of the house, उसका total membership का simple majority, उसके साथ ही जितने भी लोग present हैं half 2/3 of the members who are present and voting, that has to be there along with that is known as special majority. यानी कि पूरे हाउस का टोटल मेंबरशिप का मेजोरिटी निकालना होगा, उसके साथ ही 2/3 of the members present and voting. And there is a third type which is amendment by special majority with ratification by states. यानी कि कुछ ऐसे मुद्दे हो सकते हैं जो सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल स्टेट बाउंड्री से रिलेट हो, तो फिर स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर्स का भी रैटिफिकेशन लगता है अलॉन्ग विद द स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी. हाफ ऑफ द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर्स शुड रैटिफाई. सो दीज आर द 3 ways by which amendment can be carried out, the 3 kinds of majority by which amendment can be carried out under Article 368 of the Constitution. Under which article of Indian Constitution can President declare a national emergency? Another very important topic from Constitution is emergency that I have taken up over here. Now for national emergency, which article is important? All these article numbers I would suggest you should remember. For national emergency, state emergency, financial emergencies, which article defines what, you should clearly remember that. What are the differences between all these? Now 352 declares national emergency. President has the power to declare that if he is satisfied that on all these grounds there is a need that a national emergency should be declared. During an emergency declared under Article 352 of the Indian Constitution, which of the following fundamental rights cannot be suspended? Now what they have asked, fundamental rights कौन से suspend नहीं हो सकते हैं in a national emergency? This is a very commonly asked question from Constitution of India, and the answer is E. During a national emergency, Article 352 के हिसाब से all the fundamental rights are suspended except right to life and personal liberty and protection in respect of conviction for offences. That is Article 20 and 21 of the Constitution. This will not be suspended. Which of the following is not a ground to grant national emergency as per the Indian Constitution? Now this is a very interesting question, I would say. अगर आपने national emergency अच्छे से पढ़ा है तो आप ये आंसर बहुत easily कर सकते हो. There are some questions which require some superficial knowledge and some questions which require thorough knowledge. This is what is the thing, and you have to comprehensively prepare your topics like that. At least the topics which are very important, and emergency is one of them. नेशनल इमरजेंसी में कौन सा ऐसा ग्राउंड है जो इसमें नहीं है या फिर सारे के सारे हैं, तो नन ऑफ द अबव करेक्ट आंसर होगा. So the correct answer is internal disturbances. Internal disturbances was there originally in the Constitution, but it has been removed by 44th Amendment of the Constitution. I would suggest that you should remember this as well, that which amendment has removed it, and it has substituted the words armed rebellion instead of internal disturbances. This was a very wide term, and actually this was being misused, and because of that there was a lot of misuse of the power of emergency that was being done, that was there in the history of the Constitution actually. And the emergency was imposed by Indira Gandhi government under this clause only. All the proceedings in Supreme Court and High Court shall be in native language, shall be in English language, may be in English or Hindi language as Parliament defines, not mentioned in the Constitution. यानी कि it is as per the decision of Parliament, but there is nowhere mentioned in the Constitution. ये option का मतलब ये है. Maybe in Hindi and English language. So this is a very commonly asked question relating to language actually. Courts की language क्या है, Supreme Court और High Court की, but क्या उसके लिए अगर आपको पता भी है but Constitution में उसका provision कहाँ है ये पता होना चाहिए, है भी या नहीं ये भी हमें surely पता होना चाहिए. Answer is B. It shall be in English language, and it is mentioned under Article 348. Language to be used in Supreme Court, High Court, for acts, bills, etc. All the proceedings in Supreme Court and in every High Court shall be in the English language. ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ द यूनियन इज, ये लैंग्वेज से रिलेटेड कई बार क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं, तो इसको भी मैंने इसलिए यहाँ पे कवर करने की कोशिश की है, ट्राइंग टू बी कवरिंग ऑल द इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स इन दिस मिसलेनियस टॉपिक्स वीडियो टुडे. ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ द यूनियन इज व्हाट? इंग्लिश, हिंदी, हिंदी इन देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट, हिंदी और संस्कृत, इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. नाउ दिस बिकम्स अ कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चन. हम लोग पढ़ते भी हैं तो भी कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है एक्चुअली. ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ यूनियन है, ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ कोर्ट्स है, That is what is the thing which makes it confusing. So official language of the union is, as per Article 343 of the Constitution, Hindi in Devanagari script. So the correct answer is C. As per Article 355 of the Indian Constitution, it shall be the duty of the Union to protect every state against external aggression, war, internal disturbance, both external aggression and internal disturbance, both external aggression and war. So 355 is also another important article of the Constitution. Shall be the duty of Union to protect state, but against what? Answer is D, external aggression as well as internal disturbance. यानी कि 355 में ये word अभी भी mentioned है. So this is something which we should note. That's why I have taken up this question over here, that it is duty of whom? The Union. That states should be protected against external aggression and internal disturbances. And it should be ensured that state, the government of every state is carried out in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution. And ये यूनियन की ड्यूटी होने के बावजूद अगर ऐसा नहीं हो पाता है, then as per Article 356, a state emergency can be declared by the President. So are you understanding the linkage between Article 355 and 356 as well? Last question for today's discussion. Administrative tribunals are provided under which article of the Constitution? Now, this tribunals part is also important, जो आप कवर कर सकते हैं. एंड यहाँ पे मैंने डायरेक्ट प्रोविजन पूछा है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि ये जो पार्ट्स होते हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के, यहाँ से जनरली ऐसे क्वेश्चंस या थोड़े सुपरफिशियल क्वेश्चंस एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो आप लोग. इलेक्शंस है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ट्रिब्यूनल्स है, but again it also depends upon the type of exam that you are preparing for actually. But I have tried to cover important questions, important topics as much as I can. And stay tuned for more content. LegalBee. इसका आंसर देख लेते हैं. That is B 323A. Administrative tribunals is discussed under Article 323A of the Indian Constitution. If you have any queries, you can directly reach out to us, and don't forget to subscribe. Prepare 50% faster with ixam. Have a good day. Thank you.